How to use OpenAI Codex in VS Code. So, step 1, install VS Code on your computer if you haven't already. Step 2, go to the extensions marketplace in your VS Code app and search for Codex or OpenAI extension. Install the one linked to the OpenAI's official API. Step 3, sign up for an API account or OpenAI account and get your API key from the dashboard. Step 4, in your VS Code, open the extension setting and paste your API key to connect your AI codecs. Step 5, open a new file and start coding. Simply type a comment like create a login page in React, and Codex will now auto-generate the code. Step 6, use the inline suggestions, refactor options, and code explanations to speed up your workflow. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.